Welcome back to Take the Scary Out of Cooking Seafood, where seafood isn't creepy, it's craveable.
Today, we're conjuring up something easy, cheesy, and devilishly delicious. Shrimp and spinach pita pizzas.
This recipe is perfect for a busy night, like when you're carving pumpkins or dodging trick-or-treaters.
Start by sauteing red onions and spinach in a little olive oil. Add a dash of oregano to give it that spooky herbal flair.
Next, we're layering pita bread with mozzarella, the spinach mix, sliced tomatoes, and those glorious shrimp.
Shrimp are quick to cook and low in fat, but high in taste. And hey, if you're scared of overcooking them, don't be. Shrimp cook up so quickly. You will see a color change and they will become shapeshifters, turning to a tight C shape.
Bake these in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes, just until the cheese melts and everything's hauntingly perfect.
Look at that! Crispy edges, melty mozzarella, tender shrimp. It's not scary, it's spellbinding. Drizzle on some balsamic vinaigrette glaze for a dark and tangy twist, or go full sorcery with bang bang sauce or spicy mayo. These toppings bring bold flavor without any fright.
So whether you're cooking for ghouls or guests, this pizza is a treat, no tricks.
And stay tuned for our next episode where we stir up a steaming pot of Menorcan clam chowder with a pepper that packs a punch. Happy cooking and happy October!